Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of our English Learning Podcast. I'm so glad you're here today. If you're new to this channel, I'm Reem, and I help you learn real, everyday English that you can use in your daily life. Today, we're going to talk about a very useful topic, visiting the doctor. You'll learn how to explain your symptoms, how to understand what the doctor says, and how to talk politely during a medical visit. Whether you have a cold, a headache, or just need a checkup, these phrases will help you speak with confidence. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Part 1. Making an appointment. Let's begin with what happens before you visit the doctor. Making an appointment. Here are some useful phrases. I'd like to make an appointment with the doctor. Is the doctor available this afternoon? I need to see a doctor, please. Can I come in tomorrow morning? What time is available? Example conversation. Simple version. You. Hello, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Smith. Receptionist. Sure, what seems to be the problem? You. I've been having a sore throat. Receptionist. Okay, the doctor is available at 3 p.m. tomorrow. You. That's perfect, thank you. When you call or visit a clinic, it's polite to say please and thank you. You can also mention why you need to see the doctor, but you don't have to give too many details on the phone. Part 2. At the reception desk. When you arrive at the doctor's office, the first person you usually talk to is the receptionist. Common questions and answers. Good morning. I have an appointment with Dr. Brown. What time is your appointment? Please fill out this form. Can I see your ID or health card? Please take a seat. The doctor will see you soon. Example short dialogue. You. Good morning. I have an appointment with Dr. Brown at 10 o'clock. Receptionist. Great. Can I have your name, please? You. Sure. My name is Alex Kim. Receptionist. Thank you. Please take a seat. The doctor will call you soon. Simple, polite, and easy to remember. Part 3. Explaining symptoms. Now, this is the most important part. How to tell the doctor what's wrong. Here are some key phrases to describe how you feel. I don't feel well. I've been feeling sick. I have a headache. My stomach hurts. I have a sore throat. I'm coughing a lot. I feel dizzy. I've been tired lately. I have a fever. I have a runny nose. You can also explain how long you've had the problem. I've had this cough for 3 days. I've been feeling weak since last week. My back has been hurting for 2 days. Let's put it all together in a natural example. Doctor, I've had a bad headache for 2 days. I also feel a bit dizzy and tired. I think I might have caught a cold. That sounds natural and clear. You don't need to use complicated medical words. Just describe your symptoms in simple English. Part 4. Talking about pain. When you describe pain, you can use adjectives like sharp pain, dull pain, constant pain, burning pain, or throbbing pain, like a heartbeat. Useful sentences are, it hurts when I breathe. My chest feels tight. I have a sharp pain in my ear. My leg hurts when I walk. I feel pain in my back. You can also say where it hurts. My head hurts. My throat is sore. I have pain in my lower back. My stomach hurts after I eat. Always be specific so the doctor understands clearly. Part 5. Common doctor questions. Doctors often ask simple questions like these. What seems to be the problem? How long have you felt this way? Do you have any allergies? Are you taking any medication? Do you smoke or drink alcohol? Have you had this problem before? You can answer naturally. I've been feeling this way since Monday. No, I don't have any allergies. Yes, I take medicine for blood pressure. I don't smoke, but I sometimes drink alcohol. Practice these at home so you sound confident when you visit a real doctor. Part 6. Common illness vocabulary. Here are some common health problems you can talk about. Problem. I think I have a cold. Fever. I have a high fever. Cough. I can't stop coughing. Headache. I have a terrible headache. Stomach ache. My stomach hurts. Sore throat. I have a sore throat. Toothache. I need to see a dentist. I have a toothache. Back pain. My back hurts when I sit for too long. Allergy. I'm allergic to peanuts. Rash. There's a red rash on my arm. These are the most common symptoms you'll describe in daily life. Part 7. Understanding the doctor's advice. Now let's talk about how to understand the doctor when they give advice or instructions. Common doctor phrases. You need to rest. Drink plenty of water. Take this medicine 3 times a day. Avoid cold drinks. You should eat light food. Come back if you don't feel better. I'll write you a prescription. You'll feel better in a few days. Example short dialogue. Doctor, you have a mild infection. Take this medicine 3 times a day after meals. You, okay, thank you, doctor. How long should I take it? Doctor, for 5 days. And drink lots of water. You, got it. Thanks again. Part 8. Talking about medicine and prescriptions. After your checkup, the doctor may give you a prescription. That's the paper with the medicine names and doses. Useful phrases. Do I need to take this before or after meals? How many times a day should I take it? For how many days? Are there any side effects? Can I take this with other medicine? Example. Doctor, do I need to take this medicine before eating? Yes, take 1 tablet before breakfast and another before dinner. Thank you, doctor. Always make sure you understand how and when to take your medicine. Part 9. At the pharmacy. After leaving the doctor's office, you usually go to a pharmacy to buy the medicine. Common phrases at the pharmacy. I'd like to buy this medicine. Here's my prescription. How much is it? How should I take it? Are there any side effects? Can I take this with food? Example. You? Hello, I'd like to buy this medicine. Pharmacist? Sure. Take 1 tablet 3 times a day after meals. You. Okay, thank you. Simple and polite communication makes everything easy. Part 10. Talking about feeling better or worse. After taking medicine or resting, you might talk about how you feel. Feeling better. I feel much better now. The medicine worked. I'm recovering. My fever is gone. Feeling worse. I still feel sick. The pain hasn't gone away. It's getting worse. I think I need to see the doctor again. Example. I went to the doctor last week because I had a sore throat. I took the medicine for 5 days and now I feel much better. Or, I've been taking medicine for 3 days, but my cough is getting worse. I think I should go back to the clinic. These are real, natural ways to describe your experiences. Part 12. Polite expressions and tips. When you're at the doctor's office, always speak politely and clearly. Here are some polite ways to express yourself. Excuse me, doctor. May I ask a question? Could you please explain that again? I don't understand. Can you say it more slowly? Thank you for your help. These small, polite expressions make your English sound more natural and respectful. Part 13. Practice time. Let's do a little speaking practice. I'll say a question, and you can pause and answer out loud. 1. How long have you felt sick? 2. What part of your body hurts? 3. How often do you take your medicine? 4. What did the doctor tell you to do? 5. How are you feeling today? Practice answering in full sentences. For example, I've been sick for 2 days. Or, my stomach hurts after lunch. Or, I take medicine twice a day. Or, the doctor told me to rest. Or, I'm feeling better now. The more you speak out loud, the more natural your English will become. Part 14. Summary. Let's quickly review what we learned today. You learned how to make a doctor's appointment, how to explain your symptoms, useful words for pain and sickness, common doctor questions, how to understand advice and medicine instructions, phrases to use at the pharmacy, and how to talk about feeling better or worse, and how to sound polite in all these situations. Now you can confidently handle a doctor's visit in English from start to finish. That's all for today's lesson at the doctor's office, explaining symptoms and understanding advice. I hope this lesson helps you the next time you visit a doctor or talk about your health in English. Try practicing the sentences from today's episode. Record yourself, listen again, and repeat until it feels natural. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English learning episode. Thank you for spending your time with me today. Take care of your health, stay positive, and keep practicing your English every day. See you in the next episode.